Hello everybody, welcome to IT Tips by RCB College. My name is Osama and today we're going to talk about how you can use Microsoft Office apps for free. A lot of students ask me how they can use Microsoft Office, Word or Excel for free. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Google Docs, how your work saves automatically, how you can rename your file, and how to download it as a Word file. So the only requirement for Google Docs is a Gmail account. So make sure you have a Gmail account and it is signed in. Once you have the Gmail account signed in, all you gotta do is you're going to head over to Google Docs. You go simply click on the Google Docs button right here, and then that is going to open up the application. You don't need to install anything for Google Docs. This is how the interface looks like. To create a new file, all you have to do is click on this blank document button, and that is going to open up the interface, which is very similar to what you see with Microsoft Word. This also works just like Microsoft. You can type your assignment, change fonts, add headings, insert tables, format your work exactly the way you would in Microsoft Word. So for example, this is a test document. You can see as I'm typing, it is saving automatically to the drive, file 1. So it is saved automatically in your drive, so you don't have to keep pressing the save button all the time. If for some reason you accidentally close it or you lose it, all you gotta do is you have to head over to Google Docs, and then you can see it in the recent document. It is saved automatically. Click on it again and the file will open up exactly the way you left it. Now that we have a file, we want to rename this file. You can see it right now. The name of the file is untitled document. As soon as I click on the document, it is going to take the first line from the file and rename it automatically. Or you can say, for example, test document, and then this is how you rename the file. Once you're done renaming the file and you want to, for example, submit it, or you want to download it. In order to download, all you got to do is click on this file button right here, and then we're going to head over to downloads, and you can see over here we can download this as a Microsoft Word file. We can also download as a PDF file, or you can download as a different file format. For now, we're just going to select Microsoft Word. It is going to ask where they want to save the document. If the location looks good and the file names looks good, all you gotta do is click save, and it is going to download that in your computer. So this is how you essentially download the file as a Microsoft Word extension, or you can download this as a PDF as well. Now, it works the similar way as opening up the file as well. So let's say we have another scenario where you have a Microsoft Word file, but you don't have Microsoft Office to open it. So you can use Google Docs essentially for the same process as well. All you gotta do is you have to click on the file button, click open, and then we're going to head over to this last section and click upload. You can select the file from your computer, select the file that you want to upload, and click open. It is going to upload that file, and once it is uploaded, it is going to open up that file in a new tab automatically. So as you can see, the file is open right now. So this is how you can use Google Docs, which is essentially Microsoft Word for free, and all you need is a Gmail account. And the similar idea is with the other apps from Google Docs. Once you click, so if you go back and go to the main portal right here, we click on this menu button in the corner, and you can see we have Google Sheets and Google Slides as well. Google Sheets is essentially Microsoft Excel, and Google Slides is Microsoft PowerPoint. Works the same way. So for example, if we're right now in Google Sheets, so for example, we're going to rename the file to first Excel file, and then we're going to type some stuff in here. So A, B, C, and then we're going to type some numbers here as well. So it works the same way. You can use the same formulas. It is essentially the same format, and you can also download this. Similar to Google Docs, you just head over to File, Download it to Excel. Similar idea with Google Slides as well, which is PowerPoint. Title over here. We're going to that subject over here. You can add as many slides as you want. You can download this as well. So File, Download, and download it as a PowerPoint file. So this is how you use Google Docs for free. So if you don't have Microsoft Office, don't worry. Google Docs is free, easy to use, saves everything automatically, unless you download your work in Word or PDF or Excel, any type of format as well. This is what I recommend to students, and it works perfectly for assignments as well. One of the cool things about Google Docs is you can also share the file directly with the other people. So let's say you have this file ready and you want to submit this assignment with your instructor, but you don't want to download this and upload this, go through all of that hassle. So what you can do is you can simply click on the share button right here, enter the instructor's email. So for example, instructor@rcbcollege.ca, click on instructor email. You can select if you want to share a viewer access. You can also select if you want to share as an editor access. So for example, we just want them to see as a viewer. Click viewer and click send, and then what that's going to do is going to share that file with the instructor, and they will also get the email as well that the student has shared a file with you. Make sure that you ask the instructor first before sharing that file, because the instructor can get overwhelmed because they're getting a lot of files being shared. The best approach is obviously to download the file and upload it in your LMS portal. But if for some reason you want to share a file with somebody, you can also do that as well with Google Docs.